that sometimes, we could be doing a disservice by keeping certain customers in a typical commercial line when what they really need is the business manager program. Yeah, it's helpful because you don't get those late Friday afternoon frantic phone calls, and because if they don't need the line, they don't draw it, they don't pay any fees on it, and sometimes they wait till the last minute. Certain customers do, and they don't really realize what they need, and so to have this in place and the reporting system. I just really don't have to worry about those customers because I know they're taken care of because they're not going to hit a ceiling. We're not going to have an 11th hour request. They only borrow in advance what they need. And so it takes a lot of the pressure off the lender as well as the customer. Um, yes, I was. I knew it would be helpful. I knew it would solve their problem of coming back to the bank for additional line increases as they experience this growth. I just didn't realize how seamless it would be for them, how happy they would be with it, how the reporting improved for them. They said now with the line they don't have to worry about collecting the mail, collecting checks. They've been able to make some changes and focus on their day-to-day business that they probably weren't paying attention to because of just the general receivable intensive nature of their business. And I've noticed a big change because they used to keep an average DDA balance of about 100,000. Now I was looking at them today and they're up to $500,000 on deposit. That's a big deal for these customers, and it's also profitable for the bank because it's in our checking accounts.
Sure. Yeah.
I think there's a need for it for certain customers or clients out there, and I think as commercial lenders we need to be aware that the traditional revolving line of credit is not the perfect vehicle for everyone. And I think business manager has a definite place with Centennial Bank because I've already seen the major changes and improvements with just this particular client that is so happy with the product. And what happens is if he's happy with the product through Centennial, then he's telling everybody he knows what a great bank Centennial Bank is. Well, I think it should be fairly easy. It's very competitive around here now, not only in your industry, but in ours also. And I think it's just another product that we can tie in with our customers that show that we're thinking about them and their needs, and we're kind of putting it above the bank's individual needs, as far as interest on a note. Um, we've got to get beyond that thought process and end up doing what's right for our customer, whether it's trust or treasury services or business manager or insurance. I think if it helps our customer, it helps our bank.